Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com, and it is Wednesday, September 23rd. I want to look at Volkswagen here, and there's a bunch of different Volkswagen diesel cars too. You just don't want to buy any of them. Different stocks and stuff like that, but 1 million shares. This works. This is a stock that I never would have traded with anybody's money, even somebody, unless it was somebody I really didn't like. But it's just really choppy, really gappy because it's a European company, European stock. But you know what happened. If you don't, here's the Reader's Digest version. The company, their diesel cars, turns out that they weren't as green as you thought they weren't as green as the emissions tests showed that they were. And it's not because there was a glitch in the software, it's because the company committed fraud. They deliberately rigged their cars so that they gave a false reading. Okay, when I hear something like that, I'm sorry, there's just one word that comes to mind, but maybe it's two, and that's scumbag. And so the CEO a few days ago was basically going like, hey, you know what, we screwed up, we're so sorry, and this and that. Well, this guy's days were numbered. So the stock, just got absolutely crushed. But now I think it's giving you an opportunity. Look, this dude's out. I don't know where he's going to go, at least while he's here. But the worst is baked into the stock now. It can only get better. I mean, literally, you look at it yesterday and you go like, for crying out loud, could things get any worse for Volkswagen? No. People hate this company. I do. Every time I see a Volkswagen now, I want to ram it with my Tesla, which is very clean. So this stock absolutely got crushed. Today, the stock gaps up on, you can say it's on news because the CEO got canned, or just because, and this would be my view, that just so much selling has gone on that finally the stock's just, there's no more sellers, so it has to trade. So then there's going to be buyers. And some of these are folks covering their shorts, as they should. I'm saying you can take this stock. I think this low is going to hold for the foreseeable future. It's 23.60. I think you can take this stock for a ride. Take it up 6, 7, 8, 9%. I don't think it's what a screaming buy. No, the company committed fraud. And it's not just on the CEO, it's on his shoulders, but he's not the guy that was designing that software. But you can take this stock for a ride. If it rallies up to the mid 27s or so, I think that's about enough. Then you can look to sell into any strength. Hold her until she starts stalling, ride her till she bucks you off. But I think this is a stock you want to be long. Don't look to short this stock on this. That train has already left the station. So look to go long here, keep a stop, really below yesterday's intraday low of 23.60, and I think you're good to go. Okay, members, I have some longs and some shorts for you over in the premium section, and also a lot to tell you about trading. By the way, if you haven't signed up for a free trial, I would encourage you to do so. I'm working my asterisk off to make sure that people stay on the right side of the market, and I want you to join us, okay? Please do.